G'day, I'm Clive and welcome to PTT Outdoors. Today what I'm going to show you is the Caribee Ops backpack. So let's go and have a look at it. Okay, let's start with the material. It's a 900D Cordura fabric and it's waterproof. And they've got the waterproof coating on the back as well. And you can see this one's in the Oz cam. They also do it in a black and in a tan colour. You got your morale patch, Velcro or hook and loop here. Another one at the top here. We've got the molly system on it, which will fit all standard molly pouches. Got a good grab handle at the top. We've got the hydration port, will come out this hole here. Side pocket on both sides. Both with a molly on it. So what we'll start looking at is the organisation, or the admin pouch we call it as well. Now I've just thrown odds and sods in here just to show you the size. Okay, I've got my hammock straps sitting here. And I still have further room down the bottom where I've got my DD Hammocks Magic Carpet. I have my wallet in this pocket, and this pocket will go all the way down to here, and it does have a, let's bring the strap up, strap which you can bring over and Velcro in place to hold anything in the pocket so it doesn't fall. We've got 3 pen holder size pockets stitched in. So that's supposed to go in there, my ferro rod. We have similar on this side. We have the full pocket again coming all the way down with just a smaller pocket in there which I keep my multi-tool in. Put some of these back and keep it tidy as I go. Oh, I'll make it tidier later. And then we have another pocket here which will come down to the same depth as these two. And just to give you an idea, I have one of my knives, just a small one, my backhoe, my sand pegs, my normal stake pegs, and that one. And then we have a zip section here. Let's loosen it up, make it easier. Which I carry my basic first aid kit, snake bite kit, wipes. That up. And towel. There's a good sized pocket. And we have 2 mitten hooks so you can hang your keys or anything you want that you don't want to lose. And then we have a mesh pocket at the top, which I've got a few extra straps in there, continuous ridge lines, some whoopee slings. So let's put all this back. And before we go any further, we've got some good buckles in here on the compression straps. There's the same on the other side, and it'll cinch up to help keep your pack at its minimum size and hold everything in place, make it easier when you're walking, so there's nothing in the bag moving around and putting you off balance. Okay, again you can see at the top here there's another pocket which I've got my carabiners just hanging from. I'll unzip, and in this pocket I have my power bank, some cord that I found in the trees to hold my pack up off the ground, a little camera case, my spare batteries and cables for my camera and phone. And I'll also fit in here is the bottom of my tripod, which fits just nice. Again with all the molly on it. Now let's go to the side pocket. In this one I've got my raincoat, my rain skirt or kilt, my pack cover, and in here there's two organiser pockets which you can put other stuff in. Go the other side, and what I have in here is my 3x3 ultralight tarp, and again this side has organiser pockets in also. And as you can see, all the zips have got strong flaps on to help keep the rain and the dirt out. And we have this section here, when we unbuckle, we'll drop down. Let's loosen this off a bit more. So if you've got any wet gear, you can put it in there whilst you're walking to help keep it away from all your dry gear inside and give it a chance to dry out. So now we'll move on to the actual harness. Okay, they call this a BioFit harness or waist belt. Got a nice lumbar support there, a fairly good padding on the waist belt with the molly system on it, and your adjusters to pull your belt in smaller or to release it to make it larger. Good strong buckles with good stitching, box stitching and your X stitching, so it's good reinforced. And the same on this side, so it clicks in nice and easy and releases with ease, so there's no fiddly bits on it. We have the shoulder straps where we've got the molly system on it also. It's about half an inch in thickness, but I don't carry much weight with the shoulders, I have it all on my waist belt. We have a chest strap, again good quality and easy to open and close. And at the top we have the load lifters. So at the top we have the load lifters, and like I said before, we have the hydration port and a good strong handle. So now let's get onto the inside of the pack. So here we are. You can see it's a nice zip all the way down to the bottoms, giving you a clamshell opening. So we'll start at the top here. we have a nice mesh pocket, which in here I've got my water purification kit in at the moment. Next to that mesh pocket, or to say underneath that first mesh pocket, there's a second one. There's plenty of room to put anything in you need to store. And the third section at the bottom, there's another zip pocket where that's my down pillow I use in my hammock, which I just keep stored in there. And it helps keep it nice and dry from any increment when I open the pack if it's wet. Alright, there's plenty of room still left in this. I just threw this gear in here today just to show you what can fit. I've had this pack kitted out to last a minimum of 7 days, even though they say it's a 3-day pack, but you can make it work. Right, first of all is my Cedar Summit Duo shelter, which is a 2-person shelter. My down sleeping bag, which fits in there nice. I have a pillow, my rain pants, my thermarest mat, my cook kit in there, and my food bag. And as you can see, it doesn't take up the whole pack. There's still plenty of room to add more in there. So if you're even more ultralight than me, yeah, this will be more than ample to last you up to about 7 days or more. Let's take these out. And again, at the back here, there's my poles to my tarp, my spreader poles, and it's big enough for a 3-litre hydration pouch. I think this one is 3 litre, this one is, and there's still room for it to go even further, so a 3 litre will fit in there nice and easy. And here, I'll show you the other side of it in a moment, is the back support, which we've got a moulded plastic back and an aluminium frame going down the middle to give it the actual main support. And that goes to your padded back here, which is nice and comfortable. There's about ½ an inch of padding in there, and this mesh allows your back to breathe a little bit more than any flat plastic one. So that is the Caribee Ops 50 litre 3-day backpack, as they call it, the 72 hour. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you have and you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button down below, and if you are a subscriber, I thank you very much. So until next time, get out there, have some fun, and take care.